Niyamkhumbula yini uPinky Pinky? Niyamkhumbula yini uPinky Pinky? Hi everybody, welcome to Reality Buzz TV, where we talk about all things reality TV shows and all things reality TV show stars. Remember, you guys, when we watched the last season of Umnagwetu, there was one episode that made all of us angry. Okay, well, every episode of Umnagwetu makes us angry. It's usually an interesting review because we come back here to express our frustration with the show. But this one was especially frustrating because it was obvious that the girl that was there to be introduced as the potential second wife was very young. They were even talking about her missing exam at school to come on the show. And yeah, she did not help the situation because she was wearing her cute pink dress. bese kusele ukuthi athi ngicela ninginike iBarbie doll wami bakithi. So nje, it was, it was a frustrating episode because I did not understand why Mzansi Magic allowed that episode to be shot without confirming the girl's age, because it sounded like they were not even sure about the girl's age. And our question was, if this girl is supposed to be in high school writing exams, how old is she exactly? How is it not an issue for Mzansi Magic that this grown man has gone to a school? Because apparently he went to a school to, I don't know if he had a function or something, or he was speaking, and then he ended up proposing to this girl. And that whole situation was just like an pedophile situation, okay? And the fact that also they did not want to confirm her age just made it feel like it's a weird situation. It looks like, you guys, the family has allowed the marriage to go ahead, because a few months after the episode, the season finished, she actually did get married to bathi umzimba onemali, umzimba okhala imali, inyanga leyana. And she looks a little bit grown. I don't know if I should say grown. Maybe it's because she's gained a bit of weight. But yes, she did get married to that man, and they're even on social media together, freely expressing their love for each other. I really think that in South Africa, that is one thing that we are still not, I don't know, we don't act on it, the age situation. There are still men that are still having inappropriate relationships with underage girls. And in South Africa, asdini, that thing ayisdini, angazi indaba, ayisdini, and it's like we don't see it as being wrong. It's even worse if a girl ends up marrying the man. It's like it justifies everything. And then we forget about it. It's just how we are in South Africa. I wish things were different, because we would be able to protect more girls from the pedophiles, because we have a lot of them. Anyway, you guys, she got married to her man, and the ceremony was quite beautiful, but it did look strange because this is older man marrying a young girl. Like, what? But they got married, you guys. I don't know how old she was when she got married, because I suspected that she was 16 when she went on the show. And if the wedding was a few months later, then 17, you know. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Like the video before Pumegona. Share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers. Ngithanda kakhulu.
Hayi botsho. Vala ke shemthom yam vala. Hey vala.
Isikhathi lesi sokuthi azi ukuthi lapha ekhaya sekurayithi ngisho azi ukuthi la ekhaya kuya ngesikhathi, yonke into yenziwa ngesikhathi, kuyareportwa.
Wamuhle Tom. Muhle mo.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu nayi ilokhuza la. Babedelela ke abantu bekhuluma, namhlanje basazokhuluma futhi. Mangabe ke uthatha unkosikazi umthathele ukuthi
sesikile banye sibakhulisa yaxolisa
umntamthuphi, kodwa into ebalulekile ingqondo. Yini into ebalulekile?
ukuthani naye ngelink.
ngeke ngixoxele indaba ngihambile mfowethu woza ngapha ngike ngahamba ngayobuka indawo ekuzothi mase kuhlangene izinto kumakhele kuyo
Ha,
ngoba fanele benendawo yakhe
wazaphila iphupho
sahamba sayale ngasesiphambaneni wafike wabuka wathi kimi Dlamini le ndawo le ngicela ukuthi mina ngingakhi kuyo ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi ngeke kwazi ukufuyeka kuyo yazi ngathula ngabuka wathi cha ngiyayibona indawo yinhle impela kodwa ngeke kwazi ukufuyeka lapha ekhaya mina ngifundiswa ukuthi kufanele ngikwazi ukulandela inkomo ukufuya ekhaya kufuyeka ngathuka so-ke ngasho futhi nawe i-TV ngaze ngathatha ifoni ngathi mina ifoni nje ubuyibone oyithengayo uyisebenzise isike yasetshenziswa umunye umuntu ngeke izifane nentsha inkekhe isebenza njengento enjani endala angizwa so umuntu wesifazane mawuke wathandana nendoda emshayayo mayisethandana nezokumshaya akabi right ngoba usejwayele ukwenza njani so uma ngabe ukuthi naye usejwayele ukuthi enze izinto kanjani mase fika ku uzoza naleya mentality so ke ngizothi inkosazana wamela inhlamba bekuthuka besho yonke into namhlanje ngizothi ngiyakuthembisa noma ngazi ukuthi ngelinye ilanga uzongena la uzoba makota la ekhaya ngiyabonga
ayike akulutho. Sifuna ukubuka nje. Akulutho ke phela. Hey. Owakho ke phela manje. Oh boy.
ngizocela lapha umakota wadlamini
Ay. Amanda khanda lakho.
ngithi ngicela noma ngabe iminyaka emingaki ngelinye ilanga uvume ube umngane
Hawu kanti ngempeloni. Hayi into engane. Senzani lapha kanti kanje okunye okulengayo. Oh ningithipha. Asaza bangaganiwe. Ule. Ule sibase.
ngiyathembisa ukuthi ke lenkosazana ngizoyithatha ibe unkosikazi.
Hayibo Chomi.
Ngifuna ngivale manje ngayo noma.
Vala ke Shem Chomi yami vala. Vala. Vala.
Isikhathi lesi sokuthi azi ukuthi lapha ekhaya sekuright ngisho azi ukuthi la ekhaya kuya ngesikhathi yonke into yenziwa ngesikhathi kuyareportwa.
Wamuhle Chomi.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu nayi ilokhuza la. Babedelela ke abantu bekhuluma namhlanje basazokhuluma futhi. Mangabe ke uthatha unkosikazi umthathele ukuthi
sesikile banye sibakhulu siyaxolisa
umntamthuphi kodwa into ebalulekile ingqondo. Yini into ebalulekile?
Ukuthani waye ngelinki.
Ngeke ngixoxele indaba ngihambile mfowethu. Woza ngapha. Ngeke ngahamba ngayobuka indawo ekuzothi mase kuhlangene izinto kumakhele kuyo. Ngoba fanele benendawo yakho.
Wazaphila iphupho la.
Sahamba sale ngasesiphambaneni. Wafike wabuka. Wathi kimi Dlamini le ndawo le ngicela ukuthi mina ngingakho kuyo ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi ngeke kwazi ukufuyeka kuyo. Yazi ngathula ngabuka wathi cha ngiyayibona indawo yinhle impela kodwa ngeke kwazi ukufuyeka. Lapha ekhaya mina ngifundiswa ukuthi kufanele ngikwazi ukulandela inkomo ukufuya ekhaya kufuyeka. Ngathuka. So ke ngasho futhi nawe iTV ngaze ngathatha ifoni ngathi mina ifoni nje ubuyibona oyithengayo uyisebenzise isike yasetshenziswa umunye umuntu ngeke izifane nentsha. Inkenke isebenza njengento enjani endala. Angizwa. So umuntu wesifazane mawuke wathandana nendoda emshayayo mayisethandana nezokumshaya akabi right ngoba usejwayele ukwenza njani? So uma ngabe ukuthi naye usejwayele ukuthi enze izinto kanjani mase fika ku uzoza nale mentality. So ke ngizothi inkosazana wamela inhlamba bekuthuka besho yonke into namhlanje ngizothi ngiyakuthembisa noma ngazi ukuthi ngelinye ilanga uzongena la uzoba makota la ekhaya. Ngiyabonga.
Ayike akulutho. Akulutho ke phela. Hey. Owakho ke phela manje. Phela Ntombi uzongile phupha kathi qhum
ukuthi sike ikhephe
ukusilizinga
bese